Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is, Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bai Chung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Question is telling us here regarding Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bai Chung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So, question is telling us regarding Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather. So guys, we do not know what is the age of Bai Chung's father. Let we are assuming all these things. Let father's age, whose father? Bai Chung's father. Let father's age is equal to x years. We do not know, just we are assuming to be x years. If Bai Chung's father's age is x years, so Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather. So I can now write grandfather's age is equal to x plus 26. Why x plus 26? Because we have considered father's age to be x. Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather. So if, for example, if grandfather's age is 70 years, now if grandfather's age is 70 years, then 26 younger means 70 minus 26 I need to do. 70 minus 26 I need to do. So this is what I need to do. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 44. So how we are calculating? Just try to understand the logic, how we are calculating. If grandfather's age is, this is grandfather's age, for example, and this is father's age, for example. So grandfather's age is 7. If grandfather's age is 70 years, we are getting the father's age is 26 years. Now, here Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung. So this shows that 26 years younger than Bai Chung. Now, Bai Chung's grandfather, 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather. That means his father's age, if I subtract this 26, his father's age is going to be 44. If I subtract this 26 years younger means 26 years, father's age is less by 26 years. So if I subtract this from grandfather's age, I am getting father's age. So what you could see, father's age, if father's age is x, if this one is x, then grandfather's age is going to be x plus 26. How? This 44 plus 26, because if I add father's age to 26, then only I am getting grandfather's age. For that reason, I have considered x plus 26. Hope guys you understood this. This is very important to understand. We need to understand this one. Otherwise, if we do not understand the concept, then it would be very difficult to answer this type of questions. Again, I'm repeating the example. If grandfather's is 70 and Bai Chung's, if father says, let's say this is grandfather's age. For example, if grandfather's age is 70 and father's age is 44, the difference between their ages is 26. So this is father's age. If I am adding father's age plus the difference, then I am getting grandfather's age. That is, father's age is 44 plus 26. I am getting grandfather's age. So here we can say that father's age is 26. Father is 26 years younger than grandfather. This is the concept. So we have considered father's age is equal to x years. Therefore, grandfather's age will be x plus 26 years. That means grandfather is more by 26 years from father's age. Similarly, the other part of the question is Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So Baichung's age will be what is going to be Baichung's age? Baichung's age is going to be x minus 29 years. X minus 29 years. We have considered father's age to be x years. So Baichung's age is going to be x minus 29 years. Father's age minus 29 years. Why minus 29 years? Because Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. 29 years older than Baichung. If we subtract father's age from Baichung's age, then only we can get Baichung's age. We do not know Baichung's age, so we are subtracting 29 because 29 years older than Baichung. So we are subtracting 29. We are subtracting 29 from father's age to get Baichung's age. Hope guys you understood this. If this is very simple and very straightforward, just we need to understand the concept. We need to understand the concept. But still, if you have any question or doubt, please reach out to me. Now, the question is further telling the sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So, the question is telling us the sum of the ages. That means father's age plus grandfather's age plus Baichung's age. Baichung's age is equal to 135 years. Question has given us this thing. 135 years. Question has given us this thing. Sum total of their ages is 135. Or I can write, let us replace the values that we have considered here, in this step. So I can write father's age is x plus grandfather's age is x plus 26 plus Baichung's age is x minus 29. X minus 29 is equal to 135. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Hope guys you are understanding what I am trying to explain. So what we got? Father's age plus grandfather's age plus Baichung's age is equal to 135 years. Now replacing the father's age that we have considered. We have considered father's age to be x years, grandfather's age to be x plus 26 years and Baichung's age to be x minus 29 years. So x plus 26 plus x minus 29 is equal to 135. Or I can write x plus 26 plus x minus 29 is equal to 135. Just in this step I have opened up the brackets. Here in this step I have opened up the brackets. Or I can write x plus x, this 1x, second x and third x plus 26 minus 29 is equal to 135. This 26 and this 29. What I did here in this step, just moving the variables together and the constant figures together so that it would be easy for us to do our calculations. Or I can write x plus x plus x, 3x, 26 minus 29 is 3, minus 3 is equal to 135. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 3x is equal to 135 plus 3. 135 plus 3. What I am doing here? Just moving this minus 3 to right side. Moving this minus 3 to right side, it became plus 3. That means transposing minus 3 from left hand side to right hand side. So when we move a negative figure to the right hand side, it becomes positive, or if we move a positive figure to the right hand side, it becomes negative. So now here we got 3x is equal to 135 plus 3, or I can write 3x is equal to 138. Hope guys I am very clear till here. What we got? We got 3x is equal to 135 plus 3, which is 138. Now let us solve this further. I can write or 3x divided by 3 is equal to 138 divided by 3. So what I am doing here? dividing both sides by 3. Why I am dividing? I am dividing both sides by 3 because I want to eliminate this 3 from x so that I can only get the x value. If I want to eliminate this 3, I need to divide this 3 with 3 so that I can eliminate it. If I am dividing the left side of the equation with 3, I should also divide the right side of the equation with 3 or by 3. So for that reason, I am dividing both the sides by 3. Or I can write x is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. What we are getting? We are getting x is equal to 46. How we got x is equal to 46? This 3 and this 3 it eliminates out, and 138 divided by 3 is 46. For that reason we got x is equal to 46 years. Now guys, if you look above, what we did here in the above, we considered father's age to be x years, grandfather's age to be x plus 26 years, and Baichung's age to be x minus 29 years. Now let us replace these values of x. Now let us replace these values of x here and get the answer. So what we are going to do, we considered father's age is equal to x years. We considered father's age is equal to x year, grandfather's age is equal to x plus 26 years, and Baichung's age is equal to x minus 29. Now what we got? We got the value of x is 46. So I can write 46 here because we have considered father's age to be 46, and here I can write 46 plus 26 that is equal to 72, and here I can write 46 minus 29 I can write here. So 46 minus 29 is 17. So what we got? We got here 46, 72 and 70. So these are 46 years. Father's age is 46 years, grandfather's age is 72 years, and Baichung's age is 17 years. And now if we add all these three ages, we will get 135. What is being given in the question? 135 years. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 carried forward 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1, 135 years. Now what we got? We got their ages as 46 years, 72 years and 17 years. Now let us look into the question once again so that we can write our concluding notes. So question is asking us what is the age of each one of them. So we found out the age of each one of them to be here. So this is what we got. This is our concluding answer, and hope guys you understood this. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.